We go speak Tagalog, okay?
Okay lang ba? Matagalog po ako sa inyo?
Oo.
Baka okay lang naman po ako mag-adjust, pero mag-adjust din po kayo.
Mm.
Kung willing naman yung dalawang taong
Speechless
mag-adjust, wala
sila.
namang dapat problema.
Napameme sa akin.
Speechless.
Doctor, you're okay?
Yes?
I will make speaking dollars.
Ay,
Tama na.
na ako dyan.
Tama na.
Tama na.
Tama na.
May
Tama
ka
na.
ba dito? Tama, pares tayo to. Kapir tayo dyan.
Tama na. Oo, pero ayan, ayan, okay na.
Ba't parang ang lungkot? May procession ba dito?
Kaya nga, parang, wag kang ganyan.
Kang ganyan, kuya.
Hindi,
Tumaas.
hindi kita eh. Nagpakilala na ba kayo kay Doc?
Hi, Mika.
Ay, Doc.
Nagpakilala
Ay, sino pala
tayo.
magpapa-interview?
Ay, ako.
Kami nga apat.
Sige. Unahin ko
Ay,
na
mag-MC
muna.
kayo?
Ikaw muna.
Gusto ko yan, interview.
Si Madam muna.
Gusto ko yan.
Kala ko mapipili yan.
Ako muna.
Sino ba magpipili?
Mag-games ba tayo?
Ito po tayo.
Pipili yung dalawa, tapos yung
sige.
dalawa il.
Nice.
Hindi.
Kala ko ba magpipili ka?
Tayo pakulong.
Ang dami nyo ha.
Mag-game ba tayo?
Yung iba
Parang
magpipili
meron
ba?
mag-ano eh. Mag-1090 eh, tapos mabuhay ko kayo.
Yam?
Yes?
Ano po? Ay, dito yung office oh. Alam ko office dito.
Can you do it na alone? To
Hindi,
Have
sama
the
ka with
interview?
me. Sama ka with me.
magbihis lang siguro ako.
Oh, sige. Wait na lang po kayo dito. Salamat.
Ay, sige. Wait ka daw dito kayo.
Dito siya
Did
labas.
ba
Ikaw
white
ba yan?
sa
Anong
Epic
trip mo?
City?
Mag-EMS
Yes.
Isa lang daw, isa.
Mag-EMS ka ba?
Isa. Ikaw na nak,
Ikaw.
may gagawin ako sa isip.
Pwede ka din naman dito.
Ako na alam.
Sa PD, ilan na ba yung nag-
Sa PD, wala pa talaga sa PD. Kaya mas
Hindi
maganda
nakikita mo ba itong
nandoon
gitara
kayo.
sa harap ng katawan ko?
Yung iba.
Kailan mo?
Pero
Mas
maganda
relax
din
ka,
naman
mas
sa
relax
HP. Promise.
Clear
Dumikit
stack
nga.
props. Clear stack
Ha?
props. Clear stack
Turuan din ng
props.
templates. Sige,
Pero,
go. Mag-isip ka
ikaw
muna.
Okay din talaga,
Mech?
EMS.
Okay naman EMS talaga.
Ano yun?
Pero pag marami nag-apply dito, siguro mag-PPD na lang.
Yan mo nga sa
Sige.
email. Hindi ko lang tinutukoy. Paano ito matanggal?
Hala.
Prop fix. Isipin mo, prop fix.
Parang wala pa ata tayong prefix dito sa syudad.
Wala na, dikit bigla.
Meron.
Meron na.
Tanggalin mo lang yan, C. Mali.
Ayun.
Teka lang po, antayin ko lang po yung higher up na
Di kita na shoot.
anghel.
Carry dito. Ayun, carry. Tan.
Gago. Nakita yung ano ko. Saan sila?
Bakit na ganun?
Nag-ano ako ng set of questions. What are the qualities and characteristics do you have that can help?
Yung piliin naman pala yan. O, diba?
The Ordinance
Masarap talaga. Diba?
of
Diba?
HP.
Kasarap. Yummy. Oo. Oo ba? Lalo na pag dalawa. Oo, diba?
Have any experience
Ikaw.
in the medical field in your past? Panis.
Ay, grabe. Nabuhat na sila. Grabe. Grabe, no? Grabe talaga. Grabe, no? Grabe. Ay, naku. Grabe talaga. Grabe na unahan. Grabe, no? Nakita nyo yun?
Nasilas ako.
Nakita nyo yun? Ay, hello. Ano? Kapatid. Ay, hello po. Hello. Ay, kagwapo talaga. Kagwapo. Bango-bango. Shit talaga. Napaka-Latino. Ay, napakagwapo. Oh, di mo kilala pangalan. Naku. Akin. Ay, akin.
Madali siyang tandaan kapag
Aki.
nilagyan mo ng N sa dulo.
Akin
O,
na
lagyan mo ng N,
naman
kuya.
ako.
Ayun,
Lagyan mo ng N.
nalagyan mo daw ng N.
Nilagyan mo
Ikaw
ng
talaga,
N.
Pablo.
Hello.
Hinahina mo,
Ah.
Pablo.
Ano yun?
Hello?
Parang akin.
Lumayo ka.
There's a district citizen.
Ay, nag-aaway yung dalawa. Okay lang, hindi ako nagbahala kayo dyan. Bahala kayo dyan.
Biro lang.
Ay, magkapatid yan, Mi. Aboy
Yeah.
magkapatid, ha?
Ay,
Yun lang.
Ay,
Ay,
Rich,
madam,
Rich.
madam, what is your
May
name? I'm
asawa
sorry.
ka na, Richie.
Ako po.
Dami
Yes
mo lang
po.
experience sa babae, Kuya
Ay,
Red. Tama na.
Shimferg po.
Shim,
Sino
ay,
director
should
sa
I,
HP ano yan?
Shim, right?
Ha?
Madam,
Shimferg po. Yes po.
Madam
Yes.
Canea.
Excuse me, yung magpapa-interview sa PD, ayan, nandito si Chief
Yun.
Berto, si Chef
Ikaw.
si
Ayan,
Chief
kapatid
Sino.
ko din to. Kapatid yan,
Magkakapatid po kami
magkakapatid
tatlo.
kami.
Magkakapatid kayo dito.
Opo, Desus
Oo,
family
lahat
po
kaming
kami.
mapabuting tao na sa
Sige po,
ano.
sabay. Ano po,
Ayun.
sabay na lang
Hindi,
po
kapatid
kami
niya na rin
mag-apply
pala ako
po
kasi
kasi
mabait
Baka
din ako
mamaya.
matutulog po
May-
muna ulit siya sa apartment mamaya.
Pagod kasi ako.
ganun ba?
Pero going back, Madam Aki, di ba po, sinasabi nyo may N. Pwede ba diyang tawagin yung N sa yung N?
This was in your off duty.
Well,
What will you do?
siguro.
Ayun, let's see.
I have to ask my
Scan.
my
Can
siblings.
I ask? What is your last name?
Oh, Aki de Jesus.
Akin
Na Jesus, parang
Jesus.
bagay yung apelido ng Ferd, no?
Do you want, mas maganda yata siya pag dinagdagan natin ng Akin
Oo,
Jesus
Ferd, no?
Bird. Ganun.
Ferd. Wow, napakalit.
How do
Hindi
you
ka ba?
spell that?
See someone.
Bird. F-E-A-R-D. Yeah.
Isulat
That's a,
mo. Isulat mo na. Isulat mo.
yes, that's a good last name.
Andrito, sulat mo? Yeah.
Ang bagal nyo magsulat. Ang bagal.
Ba-
Iniisip.
But,
I mean,
But
do you
in
have
our-
a story with your last name?
Yung story namin,
Eh,
nagkatipon-tipon lang po kami. Ayan po yung nanay namin.
Yes.
But-
I thought there's a story like, why is it Ferd? So.
Ay, ako may story po ako. Ba't ko naging nanay to?
Ayusin mo yung kinukwento mo.
Wag na, ayusin mo.
Ayan,
Wag
ako na
na.
magkukwento para hindi mahaluan.
But,
Oo,
but
madam,
in,
kasi yung sinasabi niya kanina parang medyo nakakakaba yung sinabi niya kanina. Mahilig daw siya sa bata.
Mahilig sa
Yun,
bata.
oh. Mahilig talaga yun sa
Pero-
bata.
Bata 7 years old?
Tara,
7
tara,
years
tara,
old?
tara.
7 years old? Hindi mo
Wait,
pedophile. Pero-
But
Mahilig
in,
daw siyang gumawa ng bata pero walang
Wala.
nanay. Sabi.
Eh, maraming anak yan. Apat na nga eh.
But-
Nakaapat na siya sa...
Hindi, ano po, mahilig kasi siya mag-adapt. Tumutulong
Ah,
siya sa
I
ano.
think,
Adapt.
parang
Ah.
it's like foster,
Adoption
right?
lang, adoption
Foster.
lang.
Is not in need
Oh,
of
foster
ano
Diba,
parents.
imbis na tuta adapt mo, anak na. Diba? Di dyan na
Tama,
mapupunta
tama.
eh.
But
Para ano
in our
ba?
family, you see our hair is blonde.
Yeah, I like
Nasaan na
your
si
hair,
Manok?
guys.
Oh,
I
you
think
want-
that's
you
a
want
good
your hair be
combination of
blonde?
color.
Wala siya.
You want your hair
Pablo.
be blonde?
Ampunin mo? Ampunin mo?
Hindi.
Puno.
Ang
Okay na
punin
yun,
ko,
bakit
baka,
pupunta niyo?
grabe ka
Ulit ang
naman.
buhok.
Pasensya
Ang
na
galing
po
mo.
kayo, red hair kasi ako.
Red ba yan?
siya.
Brown
Big
sa
sa
akin eh.
mixture ng
Hindi,
ano?
red siya sa
Tingin.
Red
mata ko.
tsaka blood.
Nasa root beer.
Ay, red
Something
pala.
red
Dapat
and
pala.
or parang sa may
Yun.
ginger or
Nasa
something.
root
Oo
beer.
Oo,
nga.
ganun.
Pag
Nasa
nilapitan mo
orange.
yung ano mo, yung...
Huwag mo lapit.
Orange
Oo.
siguro.
Huwag
Ay,
mo
sorry.
lapit siya.
Sorry. May highlights na red.
Oo.
Ikaw lang pala pwede lumapit eh, no? Ay, sorry.
Di naman. Di natin alam baka hindi siya pumayag na ako lang lalapit. Yan.
Ay, ikaw ba, Madam Aki,
Um,
ay papayag na siya lang lumapit sa inyo?
I mean,
Ay, kinilig.
okay, hindi ako masyadong fan ng pagiging ng seloso or selosa. So,
Oo, di ba? Sabi sa'yo.
Diba? Sumama ka na sa
and
liwanag.
I'm liberated. So,
Oo.
Ikaw talaga yung utak mo puro kaliwanag, ha?
Puro
kasi
kaliwanag kanina.
naniniwala ako dun sa, yes, what?
Palit ka na ng damit.
Okay.
Doktor ba si Si Aki,
Actually,
Yes.
noon, oo, hanggang ngayon. Pero ngayon, for the meantime, na since assistant muna ako ng government dito, ako muna
Ay, Madam,
na,
sabi ni Kuya
Di ba
Pablo, gusto ko daw
magtrabaho sa
bigyan ng
gobyerno?
kanta. Isa pang kanta.
Ma'am, this
Wait,
way na lang
Pablo,
po tayo for interview.
Sino yung mag-AMs? Tara.
Ako po.
Ayun na.
Sige, sila na
Mag-interview.
bahala dyan. Kahit
Ito,
hindi
Madam
nabantayan
Aki.
Bali,
yun.
isa-isa muna. Pwede naman po kayong mag-chill na lang there in the lobby. Pero okay lang din naman po.
Okay lang po.
Basic questions lang naman to.
Wala pong problema.
Yes. Ayan. Pasok, ma'am. Ayan. So, hi ma'am. Can you kindly state your name? Age? Yes. Name and age po. Hi ma'am.
Yes po.
And can you kindly state your name and age?
Shimford Bagang, and then my age is 27.
Okay.
Galing po ako sa Bayang Pando.
Wow, nice. Alam ko yun. Nandun din ako pero hindi na ako natuloy. Ayan. Any history of being an EMS, ma'am?
Yes. Actually, I'm a owner ng HP dun sa Pando.
Wow. Mhm.
Mm.
So far, kwento naman po kayo ano mga experiences nyo being an EMS there sa Pando.
All goods naman. Like, siguro, about sa 1090, mga 1070s. Diyan lang talaga, like, parang nagkakagulo. So, kailangan talaga na meron tayong communication about that.
Okay. So, mostly rumiresponde kayo sa 1090s, no?
Yes.
Since may experience naman po kayo, bago po tayo mag-basic questions, sige. Ay, anong po gusto nyo? Basic question or difficult question? Charis.
Basic question na lang
Sige,
po.
basic muna. Kasi since may experience sa 1090, marami din ako matatanong eh. So, first of all, first question is, what are the qualities and characteristics do you think you have that can help the HP?
So, pwede ko na lang itagalog kasi for
Oo,
me,
go lang,
kakaano ko lang sa work talaga.
Sige
For
lang, go
me,
lang.
my characteristic is, to help each other and tulungan yung mga taong nangangailangan ng tulong. So, yun na.
Huwag ka ma-pressure, te. Hindi naman to SR.
Medyo,
Hindi, mga ano lang to, para mga questions lang naman para alam ko din kung ano ba talagang balak mo for HP or kung bakit gusto mo mag-EMS or to work here. So, pangalawang question na tayo. Do you have any experiences in the medical field?
yes,
Okay,
meron pa.
sige. I will give an example. If there's a distressed citizen and you're off duty, what will you do?
Mag-on duty muna and then help yung sinabi mo.
The distress. Kunwari, ito
Kasi
yun eh.
yung responsibility ko talaga is yung,
As an EMS.
yes.
Kasi alam naman tayo, aware naman tayo na may mga
Yes
EMS talaga
pa.
na they will not carry out or they can't proceed or hindi nila pipiling i-proceed yun kasi naka-off duty sila. Kunwari, nasa Venus yung nasa distress, anong gagawin
Mm.
mo para makapag-on duty ka?
Kaya nga eh. Eh, sa akin lang po naman talaga, hindi po talaga ako sometimes lumalabas ng HP. Nandito lang talaga ako.
Okay. Actually, same. Kasi in that type of situation naman, dun mo talaga makikita kung gaano ka porsigido sa trabaho mo. Pero hindi naman all that time kailangan mo rumisponde. Pero wala naman
Mm.
sobrang ganda naman ng sagot mo. So, another example, if you see a group of people inside the HP who is loitering and is not in need of any medical assistance, what would you do?
Siguro talk to them and kakausapin ko sila for confident nung walang hiya-hiya. Kasi for me, I want to be having
Tutubi,
a lot of
serious.
friends. Yeah.
Mhm.
So yun. And then,
Okay.
actually, mahihain ako. Pero I'll try my best naman po.
Yes, kasi always naman, kapag EMS tayo, we should always be confident kasi we need to use our professional experiences to help those who
Mm.
are in need, di ba? So, last question naman, if there's a rude patient who doesn't want to cooperate, insults you and your coworkers, how will you handle that?
Lang yun, ibabadibag ko yun. Ay, joke lang po. Ano po, siguro kausapin ko ng mahinhinan para po, ano ba yun? Kakausapin ko siya ng mahinin para hindi na po lumaki yung gulo or ano pa, na
Magka-aberya.
gano'n lang. Yes
Okay,
po.
sige. That's it lang naman sa basic question. Pero since sabi mo nga meron ka mga 1090 experiences and distress,
Mm.
sa 1090 kahit isang question lang. Sa 1090, kapag nanalo yung PD, natalo yung robbers, anong gagawin mo?
Nanalo yung PD.
Yes, nanalo yung PD.
Yes, uunahin ko po yung PD because sila po yung nanalo and then yung mga robbers po is yun po yung huli.
Okay. Sa mga robbers na gunshot to the head or
They're automatically body bag po.
okay. Tapos sa mga na body shot naman,
Revive po.
Lahat sila nakatingin sa akin. Ngayon ang init ko na. Lahat sila nakatingin sa akin.
actually, since alam ko naman yun yung patakaran nyo from ibang syudad nyo sa
Yes po.
Pando. Pero here sa Epic City, once na i-explain ko din naman to after the interview, pero explain ko na din ngayon since may mga anak ka nga, at least 'di ba, you can spread the word. Sa 1090 kasi namin dito, ang policy namin, kapag PD ang nanalo, robbers ang na-down, we go to the PD, ask if meron sila kung kailangan nila ng medical assistance. Tapos kapag okay na sila, we can proceed base sa queue nila. We're gonna proceed sa
Yes po.
robbers, 'di ba? Kapag head naman, proceed to body bag, tama. Kapag naman sa robbers na left bullet on the left leg, right leg, or body shot, ang gagawin
Body
namin
shot,
dito
legs and
is,
arms, mga ganun.
yes, ang gagawin namin doon is, we're gonna inform the PD. We're gonna inform the PD
Yes
na may
po. We're gonna
buhay.
inform the PD for
Mhm.
na eto po buhay pa po to, pa-assess
Yes.
na lang baka makatakas.
Ayun, taser, di ba?
Mm.
Tapos, paano yung procedures doon nung sa Pando?
Sa Pando po kasi pag may buhay pa na robbers, sinasabi ko po agad na meron pa pong buhay na robbers dito. Pwede pa na lang, pabantay na lang, baka makatakas or
Mhm.
ayun, makabunot pa ng baril, ganun.
Kasi usually, ang gagawin namin nun, laging hindi makakalimutan is putting on anesthesia before reviving the patient. Yes. Yun.
Yes po, we always naman po, aware naman po na nilalagyan po ng anesthesia para hindi
Yes.
makagalaw yung
Ayun. Yun lang naman usually. Yung same protocol lang din naman standard. What is the standard din naman? So, ayun. Okay. Actually, tapos na tayo sa interview and okay naman yung mga sagot mo. Nagustuhan ko naman and I know medyo magkakaroon pa tayo ng mahabang antayan kasi 'di ba
Sige
as
lang,
you can
walang
see,
problema.
hindi antayan kung mapopromote Before that, sabi ko antayan na magkaka 1090 tayo so that I can
Ay,
demo
sige
the
po, wala pong
experiences.
problema.
Kasi since
Yes
bagong city
po.
lang tayo and makikita mo nagmamata ako para makalikop ako ng tao na pwede natin makasama at pwede din natin maging ano, 'di ba? Maging
Opo. Actually,
bias.
nakamata din po talaga ako.
Nakamata ka
Then,
din.
inano ko lang muna. Yes po.
Ayun. So far, nagustuhan ko yung mga sagot mo and yes, you're hired, of
Ay,
course.
thank you. Thank you
Oo,
so
tapos
much.
demerit na rin. Charis! Tara, tara, come here. Dito tayo. So, bibigyan na kita
Tipin
ng
mo, clear stock
position.
props.
Ha?
Tipin mo, clear stock props para mawala yung
Oo.
ano.
Mamaya na yan. Charis. Ayan. I will hire you. Shimford.
Oh my God, AMS na ako.
Ano nakalagay sa'yo?
Ano po?
May nakalagay na ba?
Recruit pa. AMS recruit.
Recruit. Okay. Wait lang po naka-EMS ka na, right?
Yes pa, yes pa.
Ayun, sige. Congrats.
Thank you so
I will
much.
show you around after, pero interviewin ko muna yung anak nyo.
Sige po.
Sige. Bakit may hat ni Lupi dito? Next interviewee, please.
Mami,
Next
medyo
interviewee
dagdag kasi
po.
Bigay
ako.
ko sana kay
Ano?
Madam yung gamit niya. Ay,
Medyo
ako na po ba?
dagdag
Sino
kasi
pa
ako.
po yung magpapa-interview? Si Reg.
Agi.
Malalaman ko di ba?
Ito lang.
Tara, let's go.
Ano ba yung interview ko yan?
Binabasa ko ng reviewer.
Sige lang, go lang. Take your time. Tara yun, no? Interviewer ka, girl. Charis. Ayan. Hi. Hi po. Kamusta naman
Hindi
po
po
kayo?
Ay, okay lang po.
Okay lang. Okay, sige. Let's start our interview. Can you kindly state your name and age?
I am Reggie Ferd. I'm 20 years old.
Ano po yun ulit?
I'm Reggie Ferd.
Sorry, medyo may tinga po ata kayo sa bibig.
Meron ba? Wait lang, check ko nga.
Oo.
Hello. Okay na po ba yung bunganga ko?
Apo. Medyo lang.
Okay.
Baka may tinga lang.
Hello. Okay na po ba?
Pa-fix na lang ulit. Hindi talaga siya
Ikaw ba? Wait lang.
Take your time. Hello?
Okay na.
Sige, pwede na yan. Can kindly state your name and age?
Ano po? Reggie Ferd po. 20 years old.
Sorry, talaga yung mo, bibig mo
Ano
siya.
ba?
Oo.
Wait lang.
Parang kang nasa
Tanong ko sa
CR. Sige, go lang. Take your time.
Ay, may nakano kasi ang may may LC ho ang ko. Ngalangala ko.
Ganun ba? Sige, okay na yan.
Ay, kainit po kasi eh. Naka-jacket pa ako.
Ayun. Please kindly state your name and age. Name and age, sir?
Ano po? Reggie Ferd po. 20 years old.
Ano nickname? Ano mo pwedeng tawagin sa
Reg siya lang ho.
Reg?
Yes.
Okay, Reg. So, Reg, do you have any history of being an EMS?
Yes po. Sa current na pinagtatrabahuan ko, I mean sa ibang bansa is
Pando?
yes po,
Okay.
medical director.
Medical director ka din. Okay. So, ito na tayo sa, ano na tayo, basic questions. What are the qualities and characteristics do you think you have that can help the HP?
I'm very patient when it comes to patients, and also I'm capable um flexing my I mean
Flexing your?
flexing my biceps. Just kidding.
Okay, demerit, charas, bye. Hindi, ayun. Ulitin ko What are the
Ano,
qualities and characteristics do you think you have that can help the HP?
what I mean po kasi is I'm very flexible when it comes to time management.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yun
And I'm
lang.
very passionate when it
Charis.
comes to helping
Helping the whole? Helping what?
helping patients
Mm-hmm.
and treating patients.
Okay. Ilang months or years ka na bilang medical director dun sa Pando?
Buwan?
Buwan?
Yes,
So,
yes. 3 months probably.
So, 3 months. Dumaan ka ba sa
Low rank.
pagiging intern? Oo.
Yes, yes po.
So, you climbed your way up?
Come again?
Did you climb your way up?
Yes po.
Okay. Sige. Since, ayun nga, any history of being an EMS, follow-up question ko lang, do you have any experience in the medical field?
Yes po. I'm very well experienced po.
Okay. In real life ba to? Sa OOC or dito? Sa syudad?
Dito ho.
Sa syudad, okay.
Opo.
Sige. Ito. I will give an example If there's a
Okay.
distressed citizen and you're off duty, what will you do?
Makikita ba rito kapag may distress kapag naka-off duty?
Hindi, kunwari,
Bakit?
example lang, nasa Venus
May
ka,
nakita ko.
ganyan.
May
Oo. Tapos
nakita ko.
may
Usually kasi ang habit ko, kapag ganun, may nakasalubong akong patay. Usually, kahit civilian ako, daling ko sa HP para makapag-duty ako at ako gagamit isa.
Yun. Okay, sige. Ito, next question natin. I will give an example ulit.
Okay.
If you see a group of people inside the HP who is loitering and is not in need of any medical assistance, what would you do?
Ask them to live, properly. If wala na silang leave, since bawal yun sa lockdown.
Ng HP?
Yes, yes.
Paano naman kapag may naka-mask?
Naka-mask, paparemove muna yung mask before treating the patient since
Yes.
hindi natin ma-recognize yung face ng patient.
Okay, last question. If there's a rude patient, hindi siya last question, may follow-up ako, pero last question, basic question is, if there's a rude patient who doesn't want to cooperate, insults you and your co-workers, how will you handle that?
If may radio ako sa bulsa, I will contact the PD po. PD department. Police department. Since if hindi ko na kayang i-handle, and also may co-doctors, I need some helps.
Okay. Okay. As an intern to
Okay.
Pero wala naman tama at maling sagot, pero okay naman. Ayun. Sa last question naman kasi, i-clear ko lang, kapag ganun yung nangyari, yung rude patient, pinagsisigawan kayo, you should always, before contacting the PD, kailangan sa higher up ka muna, dediretso. Kasi sila ang may contact sa PD talaga. Kasi may ang pinapalaganap dito sa HP is kung may patients ang patient, dapat ang doctors, ang medical personnel is mas mahaba ang pasensya.
Ay, mahaba ho ang pasensya.
Oo, kailangan natin ng haba ng pasensya talaga. Kasi meron talaga mga pasyente or meron mga citizen na bastos talaga ang pag-uugali nila. Pero since tayo naman, we're not gonna tolerate that. Pero kapag sa extent na tinutukan na kayo ng barel, pinagbantaan na kayo, yun. Pwede na kayong gumalaw sa sarili nyo at kontakin yung PD. Pero kapag minor naman, daan muna kayo sa daan muna kayo, or as much as possible kapag mga ganong pangyayari, daan kayo sa higher ups nyo. Ayan. Pero so far, since ang pinaka bonus question, taray. Ang last question ko talaga, since 'di ba may medical experience ka na, um, sa 1090, ayan. Punta tayo sa
Okay, okay.
1090. Sa 1090, paano kapag nanalo ang robbers tapos natalo yung PD? How will you execute that as
Ah,
an intern?
kapag nagpalitan na ng code for ng police department,
Mhm.
usually, practice namin sa department ko sa kabilang syudad
Mhm.
is uunahin ng kriminal gamutin kaysa sa pulis. Kasi naman nanalo,
Mhm. Then?
they get my point. Ayun po.
Yes. Then?
Before treating the patient.
Mhm. Then?
Then
Ano mga
after that,
procedures?
okay. Pag code 4, di na pwede lumapit ang mga doctors, yun na yung hudyat na pwede nang pumasok sa scene. And
Mhm.
also after that, mag-template after after treating the patients, the
Mhm.
criminals and the police. After treating them, mag-template ang um, doctors na clear na ang 8 to 1090 and pwede nang
Sa
pumasok or
Okay.
mag-enter to.
Okay, sige. Kapag na-treat niyo na yung robbers, okay, na-treat mo na yun, nabigay mo na yung medical assistance sa robbers,
Next
anong gagawin mo
pwede na.
bago mo i-treat yung
Ay,
PD?
ask ko muna kung need ng medical assistance sa mga criminals na
Mhm.
buhay pa.
Okay. Sige. So, dito kasi sa Epic City, ang 1090 procedures natin is same lang naman as sa inyo, pero lagi natin aantay makaalis ang kriminal bago natin i-treat ang PD.
Copy.
Oo. May mga times na siguro matagal sila mag-STL, sobrang tagal. So may time tayo. Rorolyuhan natin 'yan. Pero ayun, so far okay naman.
So yung
Hmm?
ask ko lang, if
Mhm.
ang practice ko dito is dadalhin sa, since ng balak nyo is gagawin tong seryoso, pero SSRP,
Mhm.
ask ko lang if i-bring natin ang patient dito sa HP para i-surgery if needed, or i-treat
Ah,
natin on the spot.
hindi naman siya totally SRP. Kumbaga yung rules and regulation lang ang SRP.
Okay.
Oo, pero yung procedures and mga natin is same lang din naman sa standard, yung pinaka-standard. So,
Okay.
ayun, mga practices lang natin. We just need to be professional as like SRP. Pero hindi naman siya strictly SRP kasi still semi-serious to. Pero same
Okay.
practices. So, since naman na okay naman yung interview mo and wala naman akong against sa mga sinabi mo, Charis. And okay ako, masaya ako kasi at least 'di ba meron ka medical experience and yes, you're hired. Thank you so much for planning to go here sa HP para sa interview. Ayan. Okay naman siya, Aki. Pati si ma'am, yung mama niya. So far, okay naman sila. Kasi may mga experience naman sila sa medical area. Tapos, and I think naman that they can help the HP naman din and the people and especially our citizen. Kaya ayun, proceed na po tayo this way. This way na lang po, sir. Ayun, your name is Reggie Ferd, right?
Yes.
Okay, and Reggie, congrats again. Ayan, may nakita ka na ba?
Yes. Ano yun dito? Pag mag-off-duty yan lang.
Okay, itutour ko kayo. Tara, sabay na kayo. Nag-RP ko pala kuya, oo, siomay. Gusto mo ba sumali? This way?
Dok, paano
Hi.
to tanggalin yung si Matt? Ayun, okay na.
Asan yung mama mo?
Ano po, may ginawa po eh. Ano po, natulog ako po sa apartment. Ako yung
Natulog
iniwan.
muna. Sige. Tara, i-lead muna kita dito.
Actually, may
Reggie.
papaano na ako dito.
Doc Reggie. Ayan.
Pag na-hard ba, kailangan natin
So,
help
dito sa reception area, ayan. Dito tayo mag-on duty. Matahan mo to, tapos
Sige po, apply
wait mo
po
lang.
ako,
Ayan,
PD.
matahan mo,
Ayan.
tapos.
Alam po naman yung
Naka-duty ka
tense
na?
natin.
Yes, yes.
Yes, wait lang ah.
Hello?
Nakalagay sa'yo, EMS ano? EMS recruit
Ayun.
ba nakalagay sa'yo?
Recruit. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, sige. Pasok ka dito. Tapos, makikita mo dito yung armory natin or yung mga stash natin. Dito tayo kukuha ng bandage, medkit, flashlight, radio, painkillers, fire extinguisher pero hindi pa natin napapalaganap kung ano ba talaga yung fire extinguisher. Tapos may mga libre naman tayong toasty foods and Coca-Cola. Ayan, drink. Kapag nauuhaw ka, ayan, nandyan. Tapos, dito sa open hospital, pwede mo ilagay yung mga stash mo dyan. Kita mo ba?
Yes, yes, yes.
Tapos, dito naman, sa area na to, you can muscle E here para magpalit ng damit. Hindi pala dyan. Dito. Nilipat nila. Ayan. Bibigyan kita ng code for the outfit so you can change agad.
Okay, okay.
Code.
Okay.
Ano
Hello, hello.
email mo pala?
Tutulog ko.
Oo, tuldok ka na lang.
Sa OOCU ako na talaga.
Epic City. Ayan, nasend ko na sa'yo, Reggie. Tapos, papa-invite na lang kita kay Aki dun sa email natin. Ayan, gwapo naman. Tara. Congrats again, Reggie.
Thank you.
Ayan. So far naman, medyo magiging matagal pa ang proseso natin sa 1090 kasi konti pa lang tayo sa city. Pero may mga gangs naman na tayo here. Hintayin lang natin sila gumising. Pero
Allowed ba sa
ayan.
illegal activities ng EMS?
Po?
Allowed sa illegal activities ng EMS?
Yes, basta meron kayong kasamang higher up na magpo-proceed or magdi-dispatch.
Hindi, I mean, kunyari naka-OPT ako.
Naka-off
Pwede
duty.
Kunwari ng
akong
hold up.
mag-trigger ng 1090 or
Dito
pwede
muna
ako,
tayo, dito muna tayo. Ano yun?
allowed ba yun sa EMS?
Na ano?
Bawal yan.
Kapag naka-off duty ako,
Naka-off
pwede ba
duty?
akong mag-rob ng small stores or nag-crackhouse?
Ang tinatanong mo kung pwede ka magsimula ng 1090 kapag off duty ka?
Oo.
Doc, pwede ko ba kausapin kuya ko muna about
sige
that
po.
po?
Sige.
Halika
Ano?
kuya.
Ano?
Solid na whitelist. Hello.
Ate, ang tanong niya sa akin, pwede daw ba kapag naka-off duty daw ang EMS? Pwede daw ba mag-rub? Sabi ko, gagi, hindi. Wait lang.
I mean, yeah.
Saglit.
Hello.
Hintay ko lang yung ano ni...
Ano?
Ayan, dito po tayo.
Can I ask you po, Madam Aki? Can I ask you po?
Ayun, ano po yun?
Pwede ba yun? Ibang city kasi pwede eh.
Sa ibang city
I-clarify
pwede,
ko lang
pero
yung
sa
rules.
Epic City kasi
Dito ba?
bawal. Kasi kung
Okay, okay.
yun nga yung kaya tinatanong ko kayo, kapag once na EMS kayo, you have a whitelisted job or a job here sa government, bawal tayo
Yes, yes.
mag-start ng mga illegal activities. Tapos bawal din tayo sumali sa gangs. Ayan.
Yes, yes.
Ayun, yun lang naman. Tapos, so kapag na-hold up naman na tinutukoy mo, bawal,
May
may mga,
immunity ba tayo?
may?
Immunity.
Immunity-wise, hindi. Alam ko hindi. I-explain niya ni Aki sa'yo. Tara.
Okay.
Chat mo siya.
Hindi,
Tapos,
after na lang ni Aki.
lagay mo
Dito muna
doon is
tayo. So, for
hard task.
1090 naman, same procedure lang as sa inyo. Pero ang interns, hindi ko alam kung sa Pandora is the same. Sa interns kasi, alam ko, and alam ko ipapalatag ni Aki, kasi si Aki talaga yung parang semi-anghel nga, di ba? Ang pinapalatag niya sa
Okay.
HPI, kailangan ng intern may kasamang junior res
Higher
or
ups.
may higher up na kasama, senior res,
Yes,
ganyan.
yes, yes.
Ayan. Pero, ayun nga, kapag kunwari mag-isa lang kayo nagka-duty dito sa sa HP, mag-isa kayong naka-duty, hindi
Hindi mag-respond.
hindi ka magre-respo. I mean,
Yes, yes, yes.
depende. Kapag binigyan ka ng queue ng director na, okay, ikaw muna bahala dito sa HP, tapos pwede kang rumespo, ganyan. Depende. Basta kailangan, ang importante, kung isa lang kayo or dalawa, kailangan may isa talaga may iwan sa HP to tend other medical
Yes, yes,
needs.
yes.
Ayun. Tapos yung isa pupunta. Pero never ever
Leave
magdedesisyon
the
na
issue
mag-isa.
alone.
Oo, ayun.
Yes,
Never
yes,
ever
yes.
magdedesisyon na mag-isa. Wala naman tayong merit points. Kumbaga, ang mangyayari dito for promotional naman, if observation based on observation ng higher ups, lalo na assistant director and director, kung okay naman pala alam naman niya pala yung procedures, magkakaroon kayo ng interview for iba't ibang promotion. So, wala tayong merit points. Sa inyo may merit points, di ba?
So, the number of hours naman.
Ayun. Dito kasi hindi namin pinapalatag ang number of hours kasi ako
Okay,
kasi
okay.
laking HP ako kahit saang syudad HP. So parang iniisip ko, ang
Same,
dali lang
same, same.
Ang dali lang Ang
Same,
dali
same,
lang
same.
ang dali lang bawiin ng oras, ang dali lang maging masipag kahit nga 3 araw kaya ko mag-junior resident mag-senior resident Para kasing hindi hindi nagma-matter yung hours sa amin. It's about your performance, your dedication, and yung pakikitungo mo din sa mga tao. Yun lang talaga yung sa promotion namin. And if nakita namin yung quality na yun sa'yo, pwede nga kinabukasan, malay mo, nurse ka na, di ba? Hindi naman, I mean, imagine, ganun lang talaga. Ganun talaga. It's based on the higher ups if for promotion. Pero hindi naman siya ganun katagal. Makikita at makikita naman natin yun. Oh, ayun. Ayan, gusto mo na ba mag-quit? Charis.
Pinag-quit agad.
Ayan, sa 1090 naman, magkakaroon tayo ng what do you call this? On-field demonstration. Pero for now, wala pa naman tayong mga robbers. Pero inaantay ko lang makumpleto yung PD or yung ibang mga PD para magano tayo. Kasi si Aki pwede yan maging mang-rob. Pwede siya mang-rob, tapos ite-testing natin sa kanila. Then, makikita nyo kung paano yung procedure here sa Epic City.
Okay.
Pero mostly, it's just the same. It's just the standard. Tapos, isi-send ko din pala sa'yo ang templates natin. Ayan. Kunwari, okay, send ko muna yung templates. Ayan, nakita mo yung template.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ayan, para mas formal. Ayan lang naman yung mga templates natin. So far, wala tayong wala pa tayong masyadong tao. So, you can chill, magpaipon ka na muna, mag-ipon-ipon tayo. Ganun talaga here. Pero so far, yun naman okay naman tayo. Pero pag-uusapan pa naming mga whitelisted jobs ang kalakaran here sa HP. So, this is bali pioneer ka dito kasi 'di ba? Kayo ng mama mo, pioneer kayo dito sa HP. Kasi kayo ang una nag-interview dito. So, malaking chance na hindi malaking chance. Maraming possibilities na pwedeng mangyari kasi nga pioneer kayo,
Okay.
'di ba? Tsaka kapag tayo lang naman dito, pwede kayong magloko, okay lang 'yan. Semi-serious naman tayo eh. O pwede mo ganyan
Yeah.
yan. O, pak, pwede kang
Anong
gumanyan
talaga
ganyan. Ha?
natin?
Sa radyo pala
Loob lang ba,
natin.
banana
Ha?
lupa?
Ano po?
Sa loob lang ang banana lupa. Sa loob ng HP.
Ang alin?
Banana lupa.
Magstay, magtambay?
Hindi. I mean, yung banana lupa sa HP. Sa loob lang ba?
Sorry, hindi kita maintindihan.
What I mean is, banana lupa is safe zone.
Oo, dito lang. Hindi,
Sa
dito
loob
may
lang.
radius to malaki. Tapos, bawal tayo dito maglabas ng baril. Tago mo yun sa stash mo.
Kasi flex and flex. Sorry.
Tapos,
Frequency is 2, no?
ang frequency natin is 10. Ayan. Tapos,
Okay.
pinapaayos ko pa yung radio natin sa, sa dev. Pinapaayos ko pa yung radio natin para pwede natin lagyan ng pangalan. So far, hindi pa siya ayos kasi wala pa siya. Nasa, siya ngayon eh. Nasa ibang bansa pa siya. Ay, sorry. Hello?
Mga bawal. Oh,
New copy. Alam mo naman yung mga callouts natin.
you mean ba? 1090. 10 codes? 10 codes?
Yes, it's still the same.
Yes.
Hi, this is Director Yam Yam Desus, going 1041, ready for 10-8 over. Ganun siya. Narinig mo? Send ko rin sa'yo yung callouts.
Sige. Ano ko naman? Sa ulo ko naman.
Sige, patry nga.
Eto. Ano ba ang intern dito?
Intern. Pero ayusin
Okay.
natin yung name. For now, pwedeng intern, then your name, tapos yung callouts. Anyari sa'yo. Anyari
Hello.
sa'yo. Ayan, okay ka. Ha?
Ano na?
Parang, hello? Salita ka ba?
Wait lang.
Yes, available ang Epic City sa 5 list. 5M list. Gusto mo ba sumali? Chat mo ako. Add mo ako sa Discord tapos lagay mo dito yung kasi wala ka pang radyo feeling ko. May radyo ka na ba? Kumuha ka muna kaya ng
Di ba
radyo.
ako rinig? Naririnig kita eh.
Hindi kita rinig.
Really?
Oo. Hello, naririnig mo ba ako? Naririnig mo ako? Naririnig mo ba ako sa radyo?
Yes.
Ikaw hindi kita marinig.
Nagsisalita ako.
Sino gusto sumali dito sa Epic City, guys? Sali na kayo.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Tsaka alam nyo na ba na meron kayong 2 free government cars? Nakita mo na ba yon?
Ano yun?
Na meron kayong government cars, 2?
Meron.
Nakita nyo na?
Hindi. Saan makikita?
Meron kayo sa ano, meron kayong 2 libreng kotse from the government. Makikita mo yung sa garage
Wala
mo.
ako nakita. Wala sa bulsa ko.
Hindi siya sa bulsa mo. Sa garage na yun mismo eh, alam ko.
Okay.
Wait lang tara. So for now, chill ka muna. Carry pa yan habang wala pa naman tayo mga 1091 or 1090. Sino to? Hi po.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello po.
Bago lapag lang po kayo, sir.
Sakto lang.
Saan po kayo galing? Sa Matadel?
Hindi po.
Saan
Dito
po?
na ako matagal na.
Matagal ka na pala. Ano pong plano nyo, sir?
Plano niyo sa buhay.
Oo,
Tabay lang.
tambay ka lang. Okay. Nasaan si Aki? Hanapin nga natin si Aki. Yapasali Dito ba, Kylie? Sino gusto sumali dito sa city namin, sa syudad?
Kayo
Sali
bukas.
kayo. Dito, makikita mo yung kotse mo dito. Ay, dito pala yung EMS car natin. Punta ka dito. So, dito... Ay, saan na siya? Andito yung EMS cars
Paano
natin.
i-access yung ano?
Dito,
Paano
dito.
i-access? Ano ni
Dito.
Deflex para makita yung cars?
Muscle E, ayan.
Ito, garage.
Yan, mag-explore ka. Makikita mo yung mga cars natin sa EMS. Pili ko ma-amaze ka dyan.
Motor.
Sige, explore ka pa. 4 yan. Ano laro to? 5M po. GTA 5. May Lambo tayo dyan. Yung pang-4. Angas pa.
Okay, dapat.
Oo. Grabe ambulansya, no? Tara. Ito tayo sa ano.
Typical na.
Wala tayong typical na ambulansya. Mayaman yung ano eh. Mayaman yung owner eh. Wala yung local ambulance eh. Dito yung ano eh. Yung mga kotse. Check mo sa garahe mo. Mike, thank you so much. Check mo kung meron ka dyan.
Meron.
Oh.
What?
Check mo yung isa.
Burrito. Anong requirements para magtrabaho sa gobyerno?
Sa gobyerno? Si Aki makakausap mo doon. Gusto mo magtrabaho sa gobyerno? Ha?
Quarreling.
Wait. Baka nasa PD sila.
Ngayon ang init ko na.
rin palang itong city, so marami pang changes. Ano sa procedures. Ito nga sila.
Co-owner ka ba ng city?
Hindi po, ano lang, director.
Okay.
Pag nakabuo na ng mga actually, ano naman, pag
Ano, hintay mo muna siya. Oo naman.
Ulintik, naririnig ko yung boses ng kapatid ko.
Nandito sila.
well, andun ka naman, marami ka na experience. Alam mo nang gumawa ng masama. So, i-convert mo na lang.
Sila?
Dito sa loob.
Pag-ayaw, madami
Sa loob.
So, mas marami. I mean,
Sa
baba,
taas
nasa
yata.
baba.
alam mo yung sinabi nila na
Sa under, ano yan?
hindi mo ko maloloko kasi I mean, mas maalam ka, kumbaga, dun sa mga taong mabuti lang.
Ay, syempre.
So, sige na madam, ayos na muna ako. Importante na talaga.
Go lang.
Thank you.
Kamusta
Dito lang ako
ka?
tutulog ah.
Hindi.
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Bye, Pulista ko,
Ano ka? Anong plano mo?
Pulista nga, hard na nga ako eh.
Oh, go. Nice.
Yeah.
Aki,
Bye, tulog muna ako. See you later na lang, guys.
see you later.
Ay, see you po.
Aki, ito yung bagong ano
Natalia.
natin, si Reggie.
Ang linis na tignan dyan.
Bagong intern. Tapos, tanong niya din pala is kung paano daw ba or tumatanggap din ba kayo sa gobyerno? Parang gusto niya daw mag-gobyerno.
Sa whitelisted, nasa whitelisted ano na ba siya?
Wala pa. Add mo nga kaya nga
Email,
pumunta dito
kunin.
eh.
Lagay mo.
Gobyerno, kaya? Kala ka.
Tatanong lang ako.
Eh,
I
wala
mean,
ka.
for the government, I'll message them now about that one.
Pwede po ba kibuloy dyan?
Ikaw nag-interview?
Going for interview.
Ha?
Okay.
Ikaw
Yung
nag-interview?
isang PD na hard. Pero
Ikaw
ang dapat
nag-interview?
na may... Ano na?
Ikaw ba nag-interview?
Yes.
Paano mo nga in-interview mo?
In-interview.
Nautal ka, no?
Tinanong ko na sinabi ko, gusto mo maging PD, maging ano. Mahirap dito. Parang binabago ko yung isip. Hindi po talagang gusto ko po. Gagawin ko po lahat ng mga
Sino ba
rules
nag-gano sa'yo?
Ano na?
Yung naka-gray?
Ay, naka-gray ka na.
Yung natulog na?
Oo.
Dalawa ba nag-interview? Na-interview mo?
Isa pa lang eh. Pero may
Hindi na
isasali
ata
daw siya.
mag-PD. Oo, ayun. Tapos, ayun. Okay naman. Dalawa na yung interns ko.
Nice.
Pero yun nga, kailangan natin magkaroon ng on-field demonstration. Kaso, kapag kumpleto na kayo, kasi kailangan natin mag-on-field demonstration for 1090.
Self-proclaim.
Okay, bye.
Sige. Para may training na.
Kaya
Siyempre,
humahaba rin ang pasensya.
magaling nga ka eh.
Kaya humahaba rin ang pasensya ko dahil sa mga dito.
Aki,
Yes po.
magpa-on-field training ka kapag okay na.
Of course.
Yeah. Si kapatid mo,
Kaso
anong pangalan mo?
Ako po?
Andre.
Ako po si Andre. Andre Heard.
Ikaw, Andre,
Di po ako wrestler ha.
Reggie.
Ang plano ko, ang ligawan yung kapatid ni
Are you ready,
Bossing.
Nino.
Ay, alam mo bang kapatid
Yam
ni
Yam.
ano rin yun? Kapatid din ni
Mary?
Dr. Yam yun?
Si Mary ba?
Hindi si Mary.
Hello po,
baka
kuya.
Si Mary.
Si Silver.
Hello po.
Oo, si
Sylvie.
Silver.
Hello po,
Sabi
kuya.
ko kawawa,
Sorry,
tuma-under
allergic
talaga.
ako sa hugs. Pak.
Ay, sorry. Wow! Baka pag ma-under ba ako? Marunong din ako sumunod.
Ano?
Marunong din po ako sumunod.
Dito,
dadaan ka muna
ma-under
dito.
ka nun, magaling umibabaw
Ano
yun.
sinasabi mo? Hatid ka na sa white. Gamit mo.
Lumayo ko nga, kuya. Gumagawa ko ng buhay ko. Let me do my thing. Let me cook.
Kaya nga, basta sabi
nga
mo
marunong
sa'yo, willing
maghugas
ka
ng
lang
plato.
magpa-under.
Sorry na. Iniwan ko na kay sa Yaya doon. Yaya! Sinabi ko kay Yaya.
Ayun, sana kayo. Ay, na-add mo na sa sa whitelisted si Reggie.
Actually, si Reggie, mag-message lang dun sa, sa
Tuldok?
citizen chat para ma-invite
Oo.
natin. Bigyan ko kayo ng access, kayong dalawa na mag-invite dun sa whitelisted
Okay,
uploads.
sige. So far, ang kulang na lang naman sa kanilang dalawa ng mommy niya is, on-field demonstration na lang. Kasi meron naman na silang alam sa EMS at meron na din silang mga experience. Pero sabi ko nga, iba ang experience, iba ang procedures. Well, same, standard, pero may mga pagkakaiba lang sa Epic City.
Halika dito, halika dito.
Iba-ibang
Time.
bansa eh.
Ginagawa sa on-field experience.
Ayun.
Ano na?
Kasi dito sa Epic City, kailangan rumuspondi ang interns kapag may higher ups or unless i-dispatch kayo ng higher ups ninyo.
Hindi. Sinasabi doon na on
Tapos
Ano yun naman sabi?
Oo, tapos
Record
na-explain
na
ko
nga
naman yung promotion. Sa promotion naman, nakita
yung
naman na okay yung
Kala ko kasi may
okay naman yung
goal, tapos
ginagawa, okay yung mga
pinapasipasin ng
templates,
bola doon.
okay yung sa radyo, okay yung sa procedures for 1090 and 1091. Ayun, pwede kayo ma-promote. Sabi ko,
hintayin ko yun.
since kayo nga
Chief,
bago
yes,
lapag
Chief.
kayo
Sir,
yung
yes, sir.
nagiging pioneer dito sa HP, sa mga
Hindi,
HP
huwag mo
sa
na
mama
akong
nyo. Ayan,
sexy.
sobrang daming possibilities na pwede mangyari, di ba, Aki?
Yep.
Meron mo.
Yan, si Mayora yan eh, si...
Mayora.
Hindi,
Si Mayora yan,
ayoko
no?
maging mayora. Wala. Assistant lang ako sa lahat. Tapos pag meron
Ako na lang yung mayor,
bibitawan
sabihin ko
lahat.
ako yung si Kibuloy. Pagpapalain ko kayo lahat.
Actually, siguro, nakikita ko naman na nakaya nyo ng dalawa ni Zero dito sa department nyo. So, I'm gonna have to move sa mech muna for the meantime. Kasi ako lang, para may tao doon. Pero hindi ko kasi maalam sa kotse. Naiinis ako.
Yun nga.
Nga pala, Aki.
Ay,
napasok
si
dito
Jay-Z!
si Jack.
Si Jay-Z.
Si Jack, yung magiging kaano ni JC. Parang kapartner niya, si Jack ata. Jack. Mekaniko rin yun eh. Naghihintay lang daw siya ng mga...
Oo, si Jack Colin.
Wow! Napaka-unique yung pangalan, diba?
Baka kayo may tumatawa.
Hindi ako tumatawa. Umiiyak na ako.
Di ba? Kasi semi-SRP. Di ba masasabi yun? Si Jack Colin.
Ano po? Ako yung seryoso. Ako yung seryoso.
Hindi, kasi si Jack, ang surname niya kasi Colin. Pamilyang Colin siya, kaya si Jack Colin.
Ba't nag-explain? Wala naman kami sinasabi.
Wala ba?
Sinabi ka ba? Sinabi ka ba?
Kilala niyo na si May? Hindi niyo pa ba kilala si May? Siya yung assistant director ko, si May.
Sino May?
May Bayag.
May Bayag.
Bakit? Ano ba yun? Yun yung surname niya eh.
Dok ha, may ano ka Dok ha? I like it ha? I like it.
Ganyan talaga. Ganyan talaga kapag doktor. Alam mo yung anatomy na
Oo. Si May Bayag.
Anatomy.
O paano kapag ikaw, Reggie, paano mo i-radyo si May? Kunwari.
Doc May, bayag po kaya? Ay, sorry, sorry.
Direct May bayag po kayo.
May bayag. Ganyan pa ba? May bayag. Are you there? May bayag.
Zero. Ano yan? May phone ka na ba dito?
Yes.
Ano bang pangalan ng kapatid nyo, Chip? Para
Radyo
nang
yan,
baka... Alam ko na yung pangalan, alam ko na yung... Kasi...
Actually, marami akong kapatid dito. Bukod dito kay Aki.
Nagpasuso pero mas...
May dami kang kapatid.
Kahit isa lang yun. Di ba sila bumamigis? Marami
Ano,
kang
no?
Jesus dito, mga 10 siguro.
Nakapag na ba kayo? Working yung phone natin dito Pwede kayong bumili sa convenience store kahit anong kulay ng iPhone.
Wow, iPhone! Nakuha ko lang talaga Nokia eh.
Ayan,
Pwede ko kayo samahan.
Customize. Pwede kayong pasama kaya,
Kuha na tayong phone, para may contacts tayo. Tapos
Sige, pahinga ko na.
Oh! First time ka, may gustong kumontak sa akin.
Sama din ako.
Nakabalita
naman tayo eh.
Agoy.
Aray ko po.
Nagboy lang po ako sa gilid.
Tinawag niyo na ba si Jacqueline?
Hindi pa, wala daw eh.
Dok, huwag mo na sabihin yung full name. Siguro, Dok, Jack lang.
Si ano lang
Jack
daw
lang.
available, si Abdul Salani.
Si Abdul lang.
Uy, meron nga eh. Wait lang, may alam din ako dyan eh. Sabi ang pangalan, ang last name niya is Moran? Moran ata.
Ah, si ano, si
Tapos
Tam.
first name ta si Tina.
Si Tina.
Oo, si Tina. Muran.
Naknong butete naman dito. Asan po ako sasakay? Sige, dito na lang po ako sa taas.
Bitbitin na kita. Ayun na, bitbitin mo na. Aray.
Dito na lang ako sa taas, sige. Uy, sige.
Malalaglag ka dyan.
Spider-Man.
Teka na dito.
Sige, sanay naman ako malaglag sa maling tao. Ay, sorry.
Ganyan kapag amoy kanal, nalilagdag talaga.
Ano ay may kanal? Mas amay kapag kanal. Ay, ba't tayo ganito?
Sabi, nasa taas.
I like it. I like it. Tuloy niyo.
ka dyan, ah.
Tuloy.
Ganyan talaga ako sa tuloy.
Nalaglag siya, be. Be, nalaglag siya.
Andiyan pa ba?
siya.
Sabi ko sa inyo.
Aray ko po, kayo
Ay, sorry.
Ang niya. Wala, parang galing naman. Ginawa ko
Wait lang,
laruan.
tutulala lang ako, may magpo-phone lang ako sa inyo.
Ikaw lang.
Uy,
May naiwan pang isa,
tumatawagan.
may naiwan isa.
Iwanan niyo na yan. Wala namang bilang yun eh. Ay, Doc, ang bango mo, Doc. Hello? Hindi ba ako?
Seatbelt na lang pa.
Yes, rinig ka.
Ano ako mag-seatbelt dito?
Hindi, bit kita paano ako mag-seatbelt.
Hindi ba? Doc, ang bango mo, Doc.
Bali ikaw unang
Amoy lang ka ako kayo, lang ka.
Grabe ka naman. Ano
Lang ka,
yan?
sabi ko,
Pabango
mabango
yan,
lang
Joe
ka.
Malone.
Wow, Joe Malone. Kala ko naman Calvin.
Kasi nambebenta ng ng pabango si Tina eh, si Muran. Yun bili ka ng cellphone kahit anong kulay dyan. Sa others.
Liquid Mix General. Wow.
Panis. iPhone. Sa Steam ba to? Yes po.
Wala akong pera. Ano ba to?
Yun lang.
Ano ba mag-buy dito?
May add to
Pay
cart
via
dyan.
cash. Yan. Hindi ko palang cash dito. Ayun o. Paano ba mag-store ng cash dito?
Ayun ang mayaman yung kapatid mo. Paldo-paldo yan, no? Serious.
Sino?
Ang kapatid mo.
Ako, mayaman?
Ito iyo, access mo yung ATM. Pero kailangan nakaano ka dito. May pin.
Deposit amount 39 free. Ayan, okay na. Okay na, Doc.
Sige, bili ka na doon.
Tapos na.
May phone ka na?
Meron. Meron pang ang baril eh. Paano ba
Muscle
to?
F1, muscle F1.
Hello. Hi. Setup man.
Ipis ako.
Ba't may mga cinematic mode? Kung ano to?
May cinematic
Para
mode.
kang nasa langit.
Saan?
Yung try
Dulo ko sa
mong
akin yung muscle
i-press
tap.
yung F1.
Dulo
Nag-ano
ko yung
siya,
muscle tap sa akin.
yung
naman
pag
sa
nag-F1 pag nagmamuscle F1 para kang nasa langit.
Wala naman sa akin. Same normal naman.
Cinematic, nagsi-cinematic mode.
Lahat sila
Ganun.
Tap sa akin.
Sa'yo, nasa
Ayun.
langit kayo?
Oo,
Okay,
nasa
Berto,
langit.
Sa akin,
Parang may,
nasa muscle tap
may,
lang ako. Nakatingin lang sa bulsa.
Berto,
Yes.
may concern sila.
Yan naman flex mo kapag
pag-
nag-cinematic
ganyan.
yan. Flex mo, chief. Chief.
Shift?
Shift.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. Sige.
Eh, yung sa sa tab, hindi ko maalis.
Sa akin okay naman.
Para akong
Abangan
sabog.
ganyan
Yung sa
kailangan
tab,
i-reconnect.
yung sa tab mo. Kailangan mo ata
Is tab, is
mag-ano.
tab, I mean. Idlip yata.
Idlip.
Kapit pala dito, no? Pag nag-muscle F1 ka, para kang sabog.
Hindi Same
Ako
sa
yung
akin,
sabog
hindi.
na. Ay,
Pwede ka
para sa
mag-selfie
akin,
dito.
parang sabog, parang nasa langit eh. Parang nakachonggi ka ng dalawa eh. Iyo. Oh.
Masarap na mami, masarap na mami, but ang yummy mo. Ang presko, di ko akalaing mami. Aura mo ay malupit. Ang sexy ng yung body. Yan ang gusto ko na milk. Sige, gibutan mo lang ako, sasabayan kita, hindi ako mga ka. Sasayaw.
Nagara ko, inipis ako. May gusto pa bang sumali dito sa city? Tingnan natin sino pa gusto sumali sa city. Yung mga maglalaro ng 5M.
Woke up at 6, told him I'm bleeding the fifth. I had to keep it legit, knew I wouldn't make it with it.
Anong laro yan? Ano po to? 5M. GTA. Naglalaro kayo ng 5M.
Lahat sila
nakatingin sa akin. Olo? O ano ba dito ba?
Bale, ano, may experience na talaga ako sa PD. Ano lang, nang-ano lang ako, nang-trip lang ako ngayon.
Ano nangyari?
Ano ko rito sa labas?
Wala na
Diyan
ako.
ka sa taas! Huwag ka dyan! Sumabit ka sa gulong. Bagay ka naman dun eh.
May kuya
ka ba?
Tayo ng karya.
Eh, Reg, para kang aso. Nakalabas dila mo sa labas ng bintana.
Ay, Berto.
Parito tayo HP. Yes.
Mga 3:30, magano i-tip lang ako.
Go lang, go lang.
Kayo ano, Reggie? Balak mo siya ba? Pwede kayo joyride yun ni Chief.
Actually, we could...
Ayun o, Aki. Ari ko.
Ito, seryoso ko
Gusto
sa
niyo mag-joyride, gusto niyo mag-parachute. Ayun o, si Aki yan. Tulungan kayo niya mag-parachute.
Ay, mag-parachute tayo.
O, tara, parachute tayo. Tara, tara.
Ano na ba tayo? Nailagay mo na ba siya sa...
Ay, sino to? Hello? Hi po.
Hello?
Ay, kamukha pa kita.
Hey, I'm just wondering if you guys are hiring.
Oh, yes, we are. Are you new to the city?
I'm originally from Chapin NYC, which is an NS server, and just hopping onto some different servers, so I'm just want to try it out. You know what I mean?
Okay, you want to be an HP personnel?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Aki.
Aki. May mag-apply na eh.
Doc Reggie, dito ka muna, may mag-interview lang kami.
Okay. Saan ba?
Come this way, sir.
Ay, gusto mo ba na mag-interview? Oh my God, I missed the
English
interview.
yan, te.
Of course.
Come.
Come, dog.
Yo, if you mind me asking, is there like a way where I could translate all those sayings in here, like before you enter the city? It's like
Like the taxi
Tagalog.
driver.
Yeah, it's actually drivers.
Actually, that's
Get in my
the
head.
default. That's the default. But for
But
this
I
one,
could able to customize it, right?
yes,
I don't
you're.
think that you can translate it, but it only appears when you go ride a taxi.
Nahihirapan
So
ako
better have your car
mag-English, be.
instead, so you won't hear them.
Okay, bet.
Here.
Ako mag-interview, be. Panoodin mo ako.
Tok. Sorry to interrupt. 10:42 po muna.
Sige po. 10-4. Thank you for your service. Okay.
Thank you for your service. It reminds me of
Okay. Hi. What's your name and age?
Hey, I'm Johnny Spencer. I'm
Hi,
24.
Oh,
Hello.
see. Johnny Spencer, 24. Okay. Any history of being an EMS, sir?
Yes.
What kind of
Could you tell us more about what your experience was?
Okay, so basically, the longest time that I've been was a traffic enforcer.
Oh.
But I'm talking about in a different city, which is an NA city. So I don't know if there are differences between the Asian server and the NA server. So that's why I came here to try some things out, So
that's cool.
basically, I think it's like mostly all are the same. So
I think it's the
being a
standard. I will ask
yeah
you some
yeah
questions later about 1090 and 1091, and let's see if it's any different.
bet.
Okay, so here are the basic questions. I only have 3, but since you have a history of being an EMS, I will have a follow-up question. So the first question is, what are the qualities and characteristics do you think you have that can help the HP?
Well, first of all, I could deliver a good quality to the customers or to the patients. Give them the needs that they needed, and most of the time the help that they needed as well. So I always treat them well, treat them right, and just make sure that they're well and safe.
Okay.
Well, what brought you here, by the way?
Pardon me.
What brought you here? Like,
Oh
how
well,
did you know that
basically,
this?
okay, so it's weird because like I'm scrolling on TikTok and I just saw some different kinds of videos, and I've been honestly hopping to a different cities. So basically, this is my third cities that I've been hopping into. So I just want to try a different and a new environment. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay. So you are on our email server, right?
I believe so.
Oh, okay. So where did you find out about the city? From
On
Black App?
TikTok.
Black App. I think.
Yeah.
Is it my?
Oh,
Is it my Black App?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Moving on. Do you have any experience in the medical field?
Yes, but it's not quite long.
Okay. So, like in OOC or here?
Now, here.
Mm. Okay. I will give an example, sir. If there's a distressed citizen and you're off duty, what will you do?
Shit, my bad.
So you'll stand up
So
first.
basically, I'm on off duty, so
Yeah.
I believe so that the best thing to do is to call for help and run to the hospital and call your comrades, and or maybe you could go on duty, and so you could escalate the situation.
Okay. One more thing. What do you think is the core value of being a part of EMS?
So for me, it's just like I want to help people out, and make sure everybody's safe. And yeah, some of the people have sickness and all that. I just want to make them feel better.
So
And
aside from the
just
sickness and everything, because you could be as a normal citizen here in the city, and you could actually help and be a good person here.
yeah, I mean, for me, it's my passion. Being being into a medical field, so it's my passion to help people out, and this is my way of helping people out.
But why EMS? You could be part of the police department, and the police department actually holds the peace of the city, which actually gives you
Exactly.
more.
So as I mentioned that I've been there for a long time. So I was a traffic enforcer. So basically it's a police. So I just like I said, I want to try a different role. Trying to find some
Sali
a different
ka,
environment,
5M,
and
sa
I just want to
city.
explore.
So what do you think that will make you stay in the city being an EMS?
For me, for now, it's too early for me to say, but for me, I'm happy, and I'm happy to help people out.
What do you think will make you what that will make you stay more?
Well, the first thing that I was looking into is the environment and the humanity in the city, and the like for me, it's just like the important thing is the environment because I've been into the different cities, and I just wanna look for a different environment.
Actually, sir, are you aware that this is a new city?
Well, I just figured because I've seen there's not a lot of people, so
Yeah.
maybe it's a good thing to start with.
Yeah,
Mhm.
actually, it's a
Then
new
you could
city, and the only thing that we can offer for now. So yes, after the interview, maybe yeah. Um, for now, there's not a lot of 1090s. There's not a lot of 1091 because it's still a starting city. So for
Uh-huh.
now, we're recruiting people actually so that they can stay here in the city.
I can help you there. Yeah, maybe I could call out some of my friends and join the city.
Ano
But
city?
yeah, it's just like I said,
Epic City po,
I'm trying to
JM,
make
sali
sure that
ka.
environment is good so that we can stay for long.
Yes,
well
actually, this city is more on the verbal side. We there's not a lot of what do you call this, Aki, yung putukan?
there's well there will be shooting a scene that other cities might have still, but it's lesser here. Well, there is still it's still part of the city,
Yeah,
but
is it
it
Okay,
still
will
bet.
not be
there
that
for
much because
So if
I
you mind me asking, is this a serious RP or
this is just semi-serious RP, so there's not really you have the freedom to do whatever you want, but still limits because we have
okay,
rules
because
still.
I've been to serious
May
RP, so
whitelist
I
group,
just
meron,
yeah,
meron.
this is a good thing
Pero kaya
because
naman
I
kasi
want to
kasama ko,
try
Angel.
and
Gusto mo
see
ba
the
sumali? Tara,
differences between the
ma-approve
semi
ka agad.
RP and the serious RP.
Okay, that's cool. Well, let me see your thought about this, because I mean, I wouldn't mind of someone who is not from like
Paano
the
ko 'to
native that well you're
paano ko 'to
aware that this is
tuturuan
a nation server,
mag-EMS?
and
Sinasabi ko talaga sa lahat.
Okay, I mean, I
you
really
have
don't
My
mind at all.
EXO.
yeah I believe you're aware of the things that they say here, like
Yes,
well
exactly.
I'm part of it as well, that whenever they see or hear someone speaks English, and they sometimes like
Yeah.
overdo it,
Yeah, they
and
overdo
it
it
could
sometimes.
be
It could be
I get
disrespectful
it a
for
lot.
you.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So it's really not a new thing for me. It's like I said, this is my third city.
Yeah, but
So
still, you can always tell us if ever. You can always tell us if someone bullies you here because we don't tolerate bullying, right, Aki?
I appreciate it. Appreciate it, bet. I'll
Yeah.
give you that word.
Well, what we wanted to implement here, well, especially EMS or the hospital, is well the police make actually or implement peace, and we actually I mean as EMS for me, because I was an old soul before, during pandemic I was doing this, and I stayed and died in the HP.
Oh,
So
that's
I started as a
okay.
nurse, then became the director. So
Mm-hmm. Okay.
what I always implement during back days, and hopefully it could happen here as well, that um we're the source of help, and we actually managed to well HP has a big part, although some other people do not think it that way, but I mean there's a big impact of HP in in a city.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I get what you mean. I mean, so it's basically, I mean, okay, here's the thing. So, can I tell you something based on my
Sure.
experiences?
Go ahead.
So the first city that I've been there for like maybe almost a year, is Asian server. So I was an angel in there for like 7 months. So as me being I'm the only different person in the circle. So because like most of them speaks in a different language. So well, I get a lot of like bullies and all that, but sometimes I handle things out. It really depends on those people who understands me, but as you said, like HP is a big impact into the city. I do believe that statement is like, I've been to HP, I've been the directors to all of the
Babalik ako ng
departments,
5 kasi
and I
mauna
pretty
ako
know
ng
how
GC.
to,
Pero
to escalate
pwede mo
situation
naman
and
ngayon, pa-approve
any
ulit
different
kita.
kind of situations.
Add mo
So,
lang yung Discord
so
ko,
yeah,
tapos spam yung
I'm
Discord
everywhere, as I would say.
ID mo here sa live.
So if you ask me if I do know some things,
Tapos, send ko sa'yo yung
being
link ng
a
server.
nurse or being an employee of the hospital, yes, I do know all of the stuffs in here.
Okay. So, let's move on for my last basic question, then the follow-up one. Um,
Mhm.
wait. If there's a rude patient who doesn't want to cooperate, insults you and your coworkers, how will you handle that?
Well, the most important thing is to have or to adopt yourself and have this maximum tolerance. You always stay patient and talk to them nicely. And, as you are having a conversation to that patient or to that person, you got to address your statement correctly and clear so that everything will go smooth.
Okay. So, for my very, very last question, since you mentioned that you have a history of being an EMS, for 1090, if the PD, what if the robbers won and the PD loses? How will you proceed to that kind of scenario as an EMS intern?
What do you mean by that?
1090 is robbery, so
Uh
I'm
huh.
sure that you're familiar with that. So how will you
Uh
proceed
huh.
for the procedures if the robbery won and the PD loses?
Oh yeah. I think you're just gonna post on the template,
Mm-hmm.
and I think it's not my job to post it if who wants or who lose. So my duty as a EMS is
After
to
code
go
4.
to the yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, gonna go. You gotta go to the distress. Wait for them to finish, and yes. Mostly all of the time, just keep posted in template at all times after the distress.
Okay. Aki.
Sure. Well, based on the things that you have told us, I believe that basic things that you need for the HP is already a thing on you, which is a good
Yeah.
thing.
Yes, which is a
It's
good
just
thing.
what we are all looking forward if you will be part of the EMS. Well, we are well. Our core as being an EMS or being the hospital is we actually value life.
Mm-hmm.
So we actually value life at all costs without obliging with the rules that or what the city offers.
Okay,
So
because all of my statements that I've answered is based on the experience that I had. So, I'm pretty sure that you guys have a different rules in here. I would say.
mhm.
Chief,
Well, you will be
salabas ka muna.
familiar with the rules if you will check the news or go to the email. I think everything was posted there, and if there will be updates, we will be notified by it.
I bet.
So yeah. Well, I have nothing much to say. Uh, Dokyam. So I think you can handle it from here.
Okay.
So yeah, always. I mean, well, you know the thing. We value life and we help people. And actually,
Bet.
out of all the whitelist jobs, we're the one who actually acts in and speak professionally.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's
Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
I mean, and the doctors never
Well,
have like talk about it. Well, we could have fun though, but in a better way. Because I mean, just to share a thought way back then. Well, I enjoyed staying in the hospital, like really staying in the hospital for a lot of hours. Well, just
Mm-hmm.
saving lives and everything. I never go out of the hospital ever. So
Yeah, for me, if I'm employed, I am really committed. So basically, I'm all into things. Um, like let's say if I'm an employee, all I do is to focus in this thing. So I am really committed if I get a job or whatever job
sure.
that is.
Well, hopefully you will be happy and enjoy the city. And I'll leave the rest to Doc Yum for now. But thank you for your time.
I appreciate it. What's your name again?
Oh, I'm Aki.
Okay, thank you, Nurse Aki or Director Aki, right?
Just Aki is fine. I mean,
Oh.
I'm the one who actually helps the hospital for now, but sooner it'll be Doc Yum. So
Okay, gotcha.
yep. We're just waiting for those. I mean, we're just waiting for people like you to be here and patronize everything. Then we're good to go.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. I'm gonna take it from here.
Yep.
Since um yeah, Aki,
Yeah.
okay ka lang dyan?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, once that if you decided to, I mean, for him to be part of the EMS, just you have access to invite. You already have access to invite
The
someone
email.
through the
Yeah, boss
through
man.
the email of whitelisted jobs.
Okay.
So
Okay.
What's your name again? Sorry.
Johnny Spencer.
Okay, Johnny Spencer. Actually, for the thing, with the things you said, actually you passed and you're hired. But for now, I want you to know that there's no, what do you call this? We have no current ongoing 1090s, robbery and distress because it's a new city. And I hope you can stay, you
Yeah,
know.
I get that. Yeah, I mean, like I said, it's a fresh start. So I just want to be, I just want to be with you guys starting the city
Of
and
course.
see
And
how the
we're
city
gonna
grow.
learn about like we're gonna learn so much from you also.
actually, I believe that you could be a part of this hospital that will have a contribution to make things better here in the city. So I'm looking
Oh,
forward to
appreciate
it.
it.
Also. And of
Because I
Okay,
mean,
appreciate it.
during my time, I actually manage everything. We have decided everything to make everything to do better.
Ano, JM,
But
sali ka ba?
for now, I don't. I mean, well, I wanted to, but my point of view is, I mean, I did my part way back then. So this is a new
Okay.
city. As I said, Yum Yum is here, and I will let him do everything. Because I mean, my job is done way back then. So it's time for other people to have it.
Oh, okay. I get that. Okay. So Yum Yum is the is your
Actually,
sidekick or what?
yes. I'm actually
No,
the
it's
director
not
of
my.
this HP.
Well, just so you know, Yum Yum is my brother, and this policeman here
Yes,
is
the
my
chief
brother as
is
well. We have the same last name.
we have
Oh,
So
the
okay.
Jesus family.
so for now, I don't have any assistant. I'm an assist. I myself is the assistant of the city. So I'm trying to help all the whitelisted jobs and the things that
Uh,
works around here. And once I'm done, I could dress in peace.
oh no,
No,
don't say that. Oh my.
no,
Everybody
I
needs you.
could.
Without you, there's a nothing.
Yes, we
Guess
want
Well,
you run
yes.
the city. You're part of it. You know what I'm
well,
saying?
I'm part of it, but you will be a bigger part of it, and I'm looking into it.
Yeah.
I don't know if you
Oh,
watch. Wait,
well,
did you see Avatar: The Legend of Aang, or have you seen
no,
that
I
movie?
don't watch that movie.
No way, you should. I'm
Yeah,
kidding.
I
Ate,
only seen
mamaya
the
ka na
trailers,
i-mention
but
mo.
yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, so moving on, you're hired and congrats, and I hope you can stay here in our city and enjoy your stay here in the city. And if you have friends, you can actually be a part of a family here. You can make your own family and explore the city
Make your
also.
own family.
But for now, you're hired and congrats, Spencer. Am
Oh,
I right?
thank you.
Spencer, yeah. Johnny Spencer.
I'm gonna grab some Jollibee for a celebration.
Yes, okay.
Oh, we
Okay.
actually don't have Jollibee
Yeah.
for the meantime, but
Yes, we
looking
only
forward
have
we can.
Coca-Cola. Charits.
Oh,
Okay,
Coca-Cola.
come
Okay.
here. I'm gonna hire you.
Okay.
So come here in my office.
Hey, thank you, Dr. Aki.
Ay, naiwan ako mag-isa. Ay, naman ako. Okay, so you're Johnny Spencer, right? Am I right?
Correct.
Okay. Johnny Spencer, you're hired. Do you see the EMS
Yes,
job on the
I
top right?
seen it on my end. Yeah. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Come here. I'm gonna show you around before I go. Because later I'm
Okay.
gonna come back, of course. I'm just gonna do something OOC, but I'm gonna come back at 5 p.m. PST. So
Okay, so basically this is just my time on playing this game because we have a different time zone.
What
yeah,
time
it's
is it
So
there?
fine.
yeah. So right now it's 11 p.m.
So
Oh, what?
mostly, what time are you gonna be online or on
Wait,
GC?
At night,
you're Pacific time.
Pacific time, yeah.
Oh,
I
see.
know.
Okay, come here. I'm gonna show you around before I go.
I'm in
Okay.
Eastern. I'm in Eastern time.
Te PST talaga sa atin yun. Okay, come here at the main hall. So here, Johnny Spencer, Doc Spencer, this is the reception area. This man right here, our colleagues or the local, we call them local. You can put your eyes in here. Can you see
Mhm.
him?
Yeah.
Yeah, then right click, then you can be on duty. Okay, go. Try it out.
Yeah, I'm in duty now.
Okay, nice. So here is the staff only room. You can see here is our armory. So if you press muscle E, you can see the bandages, medkit, flashlight, radio, painkillers, fire extinguisher, and we have food here for our employees, just like us. Tosti is the food or
Okay,
the
got
bread,
it.
and the Coca-Cola, my favorite drink, the
And
Coca-Cola.
okay.
Okay, from
The
here,
Coca-Cola.
yes, the Coca-Cola. From here, you can muscle E this guy, our colleague. You can put your stash here.
Oh, I do have a UV gift box.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can open that. There's a lot of stuffs there. Just don't use the pistol one because we are in. So you can use
Okay,
it
I should do
outside.
that later then.
Okay, so here you can change your clothes. On this area right here, you can press muscle E. I'm gonna give you since you're in the Discord email, can you type on the OOC chat like a period or stuff like that?
Yeah, for sure. So in what channel?
OOC chat.
Okay, hold on.
Epic City OOC chat. So I can give you your uniform. Putang ina, tinahirapan ako mag-English. Nauubusan na ako. Sorry. Napamura ako sobrang. My God. Hindi ko na kaya to. I quit.
Yeah, I think I did already.
Okay, wait. For a while, I will check it out. Ayoko na. Nahirapan na ako. Naiyak na ako. Untold. Data naman. Okay, Untold, I sent you the outfit code. Can you check it out?
Okay, hold on.
Ay! Nahirapan na mag-English. Ayoko na. Naiyak ako. Charis.
Okay, I got it. So
Okay, you can import that on our.
the wardrobe is not working on my end.
Why? The muscle E one?
Yeah, okay. Now it's working.
Yes. You can
Wait,
import the
what?
outfit and wear it.
It's okay. Import the outfit.
Yes. Yawa! Ayoko na yawa.
Okay, perfect.
Wow.
Yeah, looks clean.
Yes, it looks clean. Okay, come here.
Oh yeah, oh shoot, I forgot to save that outfit. But it's okay.
You can save it now. Muscle E, then you
Ne-
can.
No. What I meant is the
Oh,
the
the other
clothes that I
one.
was wearing. Yeah, it's okay.
Actually, for us, here in HP, we have our own clothing store. So
Oh,
it's gonna be
perfect.
free. Yeah, it's gonna be free for us. I know, actually. No. It's only face surgeries here. Actually, I'm gonna tour you before I go. So come here. Here in Ward A, people will usually ask about plastic surgery or where to get plastic surgery. So here is our plastic surgery room. As you can see here, they can muscle E the room here, right? The plastic surgery room. You
Yeah.
can change their face there. So as you can see, the price there is $100, but that's not it. So what you do,
Oh, there's a
you
plot twist.
yeah, what you do is wait for them to change their face. You can wait for them there. Then after that, you invoice them. Muscle
Okay.
F7. Then create
Okay.
invoice.
And how much would that be?
You can see here. Just press F7, then create invoice. We have the standard. We have a standard here that we can't really change because it's
Oh, okay.
basically
There's
on a deliberation.
categories. Okay.
Yes, plastic surgery. You know deliberation. The deliberation is only done by the higher ups. But here, if you can heal
Okay.
someone, if you're gonna heal someone, it's 750. Revive someone, it's 1.5. So
Okay, got you.
for now, you can just chill here at the HP. But since we don't have any distress or anyone coming along here at HP, you can actually explore the city.
Okay,
Yeah,
bet,
with
bet.
Aki. I'm gonna send you. I'm gonna send you the templates that we can use
Okay,
for the
for sure.
news. Before on your past cities, do you guys use templates?
Yeah, what was that?
The templates, the
Yeah.
news. You use
Yeah.
it? Okay, I'm gonna send
Yeah.
it to you right now.
Okay.
Iyak ako. Naubusan na ako ng English, te. Okay. So for example, templates is like this. Do you guys do you see the news?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Is it the one that you sent me, the general templates?
Yes, that one. And I'm gonna
Okay,
send
so
you the call out also.
okay, perfect.
Nakakaiyak, Charis. Tokyo City. So actually here in the city, it's still ongoing. The dev are still fixing a lot of bugs and everything. And some
Mm-hmm.
of our devs are still fixing
So how fresh is the series? Like how long has
super
it been running?
fresh, super fresh. It's been running
You
for
you own this city or
yes, in
you're
the
part of it?
city. In the city.
Oh, you run this city?
No, not me. There's a dev here in the
Okay.
city, the owner. One of our guy here, he's actually an angel here in the city.
That one?
Yes, and he's the
Okay.
dev of this city also. Co-dev.
Oh, okay.
So the owner of the city is Yosh.
Mm-hmm.
There's still a lot of going on here in the city. There's still a lot to improve. Um,
Yeah.
especially the revive animation.
Yeah.
They're still
I
gonna
get
fix
that.
that. So if you're gonna be like weirded out because the CPR has only 2 pumps and then you do nothing,
Oh,
I'm trying to get it fixed. So they're gonna fix that and
yeah.
also the heal animation and also yeah the categories for the workload. So if you can
Okay.
see me here in front of me, you can press Q. Do you do you press
Q.
did you press Q or no?
Yeah, I did, but it's not working.
Okay, wait lang. Wait lang. Aki! Aki!
Car
Aki!
accident. Yeah.
Hiramin muna kita. Nahihirapan ako.
Later.
Aki, ano yung what's the standard for the work template? Like because ours is letter Q because we changed it. I remember Mary and I and Bert, Chief Bert. So I don't know what's the standard for
The work.
yes, the work.
Press F2 on your phone.
F2.
Do you see the like circle, like the chart?
Or F3, something like that.
Oh no, it's not working. F2 and F3 is not working.
F4 or F5. I'm sorry.
F5.
Okay, Oh yeah, F5. Yeah, I
F5
see
is
it.
like there's an option for you to click work, and then there's an option for you to heal and revive.
Pero ano pa-change mo na lang sa queue.
Go to if you want, you could go to your settings in your mind, and then change it to go to key bindings, go to 5M, and then choose the one there that has F5. So change it
Okay.
into your preferred one. I actually put it into my tab button.
So it's up to
Okay,
you
okay.
actually.
So it's up to you which one would you have. But we'll try to fix that
Yeah.
very soon.
Yeah, we're gonna fix
Okay,
that very soon.
sure.
Because if you notice here, even the UI or the things that you see and the things, all the settings here are really new. Because the one who actually developed the city, he actually made it piece by piece. So he
Okay.
actually changed everything.
Oh, that's a hard task right there. But okay, I'm really a patient guy, so
Okay.
don't worry about it.
From here, you can go to the armory.
Okay, I'll be back.
Okay. I just want to mention, for you to heal, you need bandages. For you to revive, you need a med kit.
Medkit. Okay,
Yes, you can
gotcha.
see that you can see that when you go to our staff only room and go to the armory, you always need that on your pockets, the med kit and the
Carry that at all
bandages.
times.
Yes,
And then
so
one more thing. What's the frequency of the radio?
the frequency of the radio is 10.
10.
For now, but I don't know if the owner will change it because I requested that there should be a radio frequency for the EMS and the chief, so we're still figuring it out.
Okay,
So as you
gotcha.
can see here for the radio, when you enter 10, you will go you can see the radio list on your upper right.
Mm-hmm.
You can
I
check.
may not have a radio on me right now, but
Okay, you can come here and get yourself one. Hirapan ako ng English. Ayoko na mag-afam, charis. Here, you can get the radio here. Some other stuff if
Radio.
you'd like to. But you
Yeah.
can share it with your friends.
Oh, so how do I open my bag?
Tab.
Tab. Oh, okay, gotcha.
Hindi to sign.
2
Nahihirapan ako
and the
biglang
frequency is 10.
Yes, the 10. Yes, there. Hello, do you hear me?
Wait, yeah.
10-4.
Yes.
Okay.
So you know the call outs naman pala.
Yeah, those 10 codes, yeah.
Okay. So if we don't have we don't have the capacity to change our names yet for the radio, but I'm still requesting for it. For now, you can call
Okay.
yourself I dot like that. So if
Okay.
I'm gonna introduce myself. Hi, this is I J Spencer.
Yeah.
Going 1041, ready for 10-8 over.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
gotcha.
Patient.
Okay. Hi. Yes po, what's your concern?
Bleeding po ako, Dok.
Okay po.
Bleeding
sige.
ka. Halika dito.
Teka lang po.
Dito.
Jay Spencer, come here.